Let's make some egg bites. This is Kietha T in Kietha's Kitchen. Thank you all for joining. We're just crumbling up some bacon that I just finished cooking in the oven. And we're going to incorporate that right into our egg mixture. Enjoy the video. Let's go. Add in some of this bacon. Add it right in there. Give it a good mix. Then we're going to take the sausage that we chopped up and we're going to put that into the egg mixture. You see that? And just mixing it all up, guys. So I have 5 eggs in this measuring cup. I just added about 5 strips of bacon and about 4 sausage links. I have a muffin pan that I've already sprayed with my Pam. So the next thing I'm going to do, you see I have some cut up green peppers and I have some onions. We are just going to drop some of those to the bottom of the pan. I find that this personally works better for me. Now, if you want to add this to your egg mixture, you can certainly do that too. But this is how Kietha's doing it in Kietha's Kitchen. And I don't know how far my eggs will actually go, so let me... Y'all see how easy this is? Okay, now we're just going to pour in our egg mixture. Uh-oh, I might have to make some more eggs. I'll just go ahead and add that in. Ooh, that one has a lot now. Add a little bit over here. Perfect. And I'm just going to stir them around so that everything is evenly mixed. Now, because we still have 3 that does not have any mixture, we're just going to go ahead and add a little water because you don't want that to burn. Okay, and then we're going to pop this into a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. And I totally forgot. I mean, I suppose you can make them dairy-free. There's really no rules. You just do you. I'm just going to add a little cheese and then stir it in there. But typically I will put it in my mixture and then I would just put a little extra right on top before I put them into the oven. I don't know. It totally escaped my mind tonight for some reason. I do like cheese in my egg bites. I'm so glad I remember. I would have been so disappointed, y'all. You see that? Just mix it in there. That one's a little messy. Can't believe I forgot the cheese. Okay, so we're good. Now I'm just going to add a little bit more on top. Don't y'all forget your cheese when you make them now. Hey, this is the beauty of being live. Now we're going to put them back into the oven. Now they have cheese. Ugh. Try to show you all what they look like. In the oven they're going. 20 minutes on the clock, please. Tell you what, they smell delicious. Now remember, just be careful because you got that hot water. You do not want to burn yourself. But this is what the egg whites are looking like. Easy peasy, y'all.